Hello, my craft enthusiast. Welcome back to our channel named Learn Everything with Me. Today, we have a special treat for all the parents, caregivers, and anyone who loves getting creative with the little ones. We are diving into the world of craft ideas and DIY projects specifically designed for toddlers. Whether you are a seasoned crafter or just getting started, there's something for everyone. So, grab your crafting supplies and let's get started. So, first we'll start with the simple and creative craft ideas for toddlers. So, alright, let's kick off with some simple and creative craft ideas that are perfect for those tiny hands. And first idea which comes across my mind is paper plate animals. One of my all-time favorites is creating adorable animals using paper plates. Toddlers can paint them, add googly eyes, and even attach simple paper cutouts to transform them into their favorite animals. It's a fantastic way to encourage creativity and fine motor skills. Second idea comes in my mind is handprint art. Handprint art is another classic that never gets old. Whether it's turning handprints into animals, flowers, or even a family tree, it's a personal and memorable way to capture those tiny hands at this stage. Plus, it makes for wonderful keepsakes. Then now comes the DIY Play-Doh. Let's not forget the joy of making your own Play-Doh at home. It's easy, safe, and can provide endless hours of sensory play. We will go through a quick recipe and you can customize it with different colors and scents. Next segment we can talk about is recycling household items for craft projects. Crafting doesn't have to break the bank. Let's explore some ingenious way to repurpose household items for exciting craft projects. So first is egg carton caterpillars. Who knew egg carton could be transformed into the cutest caterpillars? We can paint, add googly eyes, and even attach some pipe cleaners for legs. It's not only eco friendly but also a great way to teach kids about reusing the materials. Next, we can do is cardboard box creation. Every household has cardboard boxes lying around. Let's turn them into a spaceship, a puppet theater, or even a mini city. The possibilities are endless and it's an excellent way to foster imaginative play. Next, we can talk is bottle cap stamps. You can save those bottle caps. We can turn them into stamps. With a bit of paint and some paper, your toddler can create unique and colorful artwork using this homemade stamps. Next, we can talk about a seasonal and holiday themed craft for young kids. First craft idea just comes in my mind is Halloween handprint ghost. With Halloween, why not create handprint ghost? It's a spectacular way to celebrate the season and the kids absolutely love seeing their little hands transformed into friendly ghosts. Next craft idea is Christmas tree ornaments. As the holiday season approaches, you can dive into creating personalized Christmas tree ornaments. Just explore the different materials, colors, and shape to make your tree truly unique. Third craft idea which comes in the mind is Easter bunny masks. In the spring, we can go for the bunny mask. Using simple materials, you can craft masks that are perfect for Easter celebration. It's a great way to combine crafting and imaginative play. So, overall, and there you have it, a whirlwind of creative crafting ideas for toddlers. Remember, the key is not the perfection but the joy and exploration that crafting brings. Before we wrap up, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channels for more crafting inspiration, and comment below with your favorite craft from today. Until next time, happy learning and happy crafting.